6 ways to live a healthy life and strengthen immune system. Your first line of defense is to choose a best healthy lifestyle. Following general good health guidelines is the single best step you can take toward naturally keeping your immune system strong and healthy. Every part of your body, including your immune system, functions better when protected from environmental assaults and bolstered by healthy living strategies such as I'm going to discuss in this video. 1. Don't smoke, please. Tar in cigarettes coats the lungs and can cause lung and throat cancer in smokers. It is also responsible for the yellow-brown staining on smokers' fingers and teeth. Carbon monoxide in cigarettes reduces the amount of oxygen available to the muscles, brain and blood. This means the whole body, especially the heart, must work harder. Over time, this causes airways to narrow and blood pressure to rise, which can lead to heart attack and stroke. High levels of carbon monoxide together with nicotine increase the risk of heart disease, hardening of the arteries and other circulatory problems. 2. Exercise regularly. Exercise and physical activity are great ways to feel better, boost your health and have fun. For most healthy adults, the Department of Health and Human Services recommends at least 150 minutes a week of moderate aerobic activity or 75 minutes a week of vigorous aerobic activity or a combination of moderate and vigorous activity. The guidelines suggest that you spread this exercise throughout the week. Examples including running, walking or swimming. Even small amounts of physical activity are helpful, and accumulated activity throughout the day adds up to provide health benefits. Strength training exercises for all major muscle groups at least 2 times a week. Examples including lifting free weights, using weight machines, or doing body weight training. 3. Eat a diet high in fruits and vegetables. A diet rich in fruit and vegetables can lower your risk for heart disease. Potassium, which can be found in bananas, may help the body maintain a healthy blood pressure. In addition, the dietary fiber found in vegetables can assist with lowering blood cholesterol levels as well as the risk of heart disease. The higher your average daily consumption of fruits and vegetables, the lower your risk of developing cardiovascular disease. Studies have shown fruits and vegetables can help reduce the risk of some cancers. Vegetables such as bok choy, broccoli and cabbage and most fruit may add an additional layer of cancer-fighting protection. 4. If you drink alcohol, drink only in moderation. Alcohol's impact on your body starts from the moment you take your first sip. While an occasional glass of wine with dinner is not a cause for concern, the cumulative effects of drinking wine, beer or spirits can take its toll. A glass a day may do little damage to your overall health, but if the habit grows or if you find yourself having a hard time stopping after just one glass, the cumulative effects can add up. It means that drinking too much alcohol can cause serious damage to your health. I recommend that please stop drinking, leave it for your health. 5. Get adequate sleep. A sound sleep is also a key factor to boost up your health. Sleep rejuvenates the circulatory system and helps prevent heart disease. Getting between 7 and 9 hours of sound sleep nightly helps keep blood pressure and cholesterol levels under control. So sleep sound and be healthy. 6. Try to avoid or minimize stress. Stress is tough to handle but not impossible. There are so many techniques to control it, and one of them that is best is to exercise regularly. Exercise is one of the most important things you can do to combat stress. Keep a positive attitude and also accept that there are events that you can't control. Similarly, be lenient to others and try to spend your spare time with your friends. Guys, I hope this video will be very helpful for you to maintain a healthy life. Please comment below if you have any question or good suggestion. Thanks for watching.